Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to code 4 simple trolls so you can make fun of your friends and troll them and surprise them in survival.
So if you don't know what troll means, troll is just tricking them.
And like spawning mobs out of nowhere and like making them scared and surprised. So our first troll is on player sneak. Teleport the nearest player to your coordinates, so where you are, and then it'll spawn a creeper at your position. So these trolls aren't 100% efficient, but they're still pretty good. So like for example, on player sneak, so when your friend's trying to kill you or to eliminate you, to surprise you or something, and they're sneaking so you can't see their name tag, you control them by teleporting them to you, and then you can eliminate them yourself with the surprise, or you can spawn a creeper at your coordinate, and then after they've teleported to you and the creeper spawns, you can quickly run away. Okay, so then the next troll is to keep your friend focused on eliminating zombies. Hopefully it's still night. So when any player, or like when you kill a monster, it will teleport the nearest player to your coordinates. It will spawn a monster. It will spawn 2 more zombies also at your coordinates. So you can also need to run quickly away. Okay, and then this will keep them focused because for every zombie you eliminate, 2 more zombies will spawn.
So it's just like doubling it.
Yeah. And then here, when your friend finds a diamond and they mine it, it will teleport them to your coordinates, and they probably would have already collected the diamond. Hopefully, maybe they didn't. Then after it teleports you, the code is going to repeat 10 times. You place cobwebs and pick random position from your coordinates to the X is 5, and then the Y is 10, and the Z is 10, and the 0 is Y. So these are coordinates. So the code will just spam cobwebs, like 10 cobweb blocks, which will slow you and your friend, but maybe you have a sword, so you're prepared at all times, and then you can break the cobwebs quickly. Remember, what are the cobwebs for? Well, they slow you down, so we're going to spawn a projectile, prime TNT, at your coordinates, so you must run away. Very quickly.
All of these are not that efficient because you will be trapped in it too. But maybe if you do it, you'll have like something prepared to get out.
Yeah, so the prime TNT will be more quicker to explode and will explode your friend up. Hopefully not you. And the next one is earlier in the survival. So when somebody places obsidian, it will set the position, which is a variable, to pick random position from these coordinates, which can go from way above ground, 50 blocks above ground maybe, to 100 blocks underground or maybe more. So when they're trying to build an obsidian, a nether portal, and trying to get to the nether to get blaze rods, it will set the position variable to random position somewhere in the world, and it will teleport the nearest player to that position. Then you might suffocate, and then it will spawn. If it doesn't suffocate or they're above ground, it will spawn a creeper at their position. And these are the 4 trolls. So now let's see it in Python. Okay, so first we have the blank position variable to teleport your friend to a random place. And then here the first troll is when you get try to place the obsidian. It will make the position variable global, so you can use it inside the function and outside the function. And then we'll set the position to a random position in these coordinates, teleport the nearest player to that position, and also the creeper to that position. And then this happens when somebody places obsidian. And then this is when somebody breaks a diamond ore. So it will teleport the nearest player to your coordinates, and it will spam cobwebs, 10 cobwebs in random positions around you, and then it will spawn the prime TNT at your position, so hopefully you're close to your friend and ready to run away. So this also happens when you break the diamond ore. Then this is when your friend sneaks and trying to shield or just sneak up to you. It'll teleport them to you, and then it will spawn a creeper, so it'll blow them up. Even if their shield might protect them, they'll still take damage, and if the creeper doesn't finish them off, you can. Then this all happens when the player sneaks, and finally, when the zombie is eliminated, it will teleport the nearest player to you, spawn 2 more zombies, and then this happens when a zombie dies. So now let's try it. So first, let's pretend we're in a mine, and then, wow, there are diamonds. So we didn't get diamonds yet. So we have a gold pickaxe, even if gold isn't that good. And we try to mine the diamonds. Bam! So now there's cobble. This is TNT. So we can run away. And this time we even blow up the diamonds.
So we got diamonds.
Yeah, diamonds, yay. But sometimes if you're lucky, the cobble will trap your friend. For example, your friend is over here.
We're sneaking.
Oh well, at least I slept. Okay. So then, that was an example of the sneaking. Try to sneak. And then there's TNT. All these creepers.
And
Okay,
then
I died again. And then you'll get boom, everything explodes. Okay, so let's mine. So we also mine the diamonds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just get the weather back to normal. And sunny skies. Okay, so now we're trying to build the portal, okay? We'll just pretend there's a room portal or the portal. You start building portal, place the block of obsidian. What happens next? I've been teleported to a random place.
Oh.
So now I'm suffocating. And now I got eliminated.
Because we suffocated in
Got
a
it.
block.
Yeah, okay. So then you can't really build another portal. Okay?
It's so
The
sad.
final one is when there are lots of zombies and you try to eliminate them. So
Let's go
set
to a
it back to night.
or just go to a shade.
So let's go to trees. So I have an iron sword prepared to fight them as well as a shield to propel.
I think
and
it's sneaking.
shield protects you from the
Like you keep on sneaking and then it keeps on going and then you sneak
Yeah, so
it
there's
and then
not-
you get eliminated.
That's how it's very effective. The more you sneak to protect yourself from creepers with the shield, the more creepers will spawn.
It's very, very
You can't
cool.
hold it. Yeah, your shield will eventually break. Okay. So now I'm just gonna set it to night because zombies will also naturally spawn.
Okay.
Always day. Okay, I need to go to the settings. So we're gonna do always day to go off.
So we're gonna go tonight.
Time is night. Now we're gonna spawn zombies. Now lots of zombies. Now we're gonna try to eliminate them so we can be safe. So now more zombies spawn out of nowhere.
Cool.
So now we're just keeping more and more zombies.
No, that's
So
sad.
now I'm getting damage a lot. So now I don't want to use my shield or those creepers. Maybe that'll be effective. Zombies are spamming the iron golems.
Can
That's
we get
good.
teleported to somewhere else again? Place the obsidian.
We're gonna place the obsidian?
Yeah.
So let's place the obsidian. Bye bye, zombie.
Oh.
So now we suffocate again. Pickaxe. Yay!
Where are
And now
we?
we're just in a random place.
I think we're in a cave.
So we're gonna eliminate ourselves so we can respawn. Okay. So
Back in the house.
all these cheats are trolls are very effective and you can use them. But now here's something. Oops, I don't want to. So for the zombie troll, when it might not be as effective
keeps on forgetting.
Because if the zombies died from like fire because it's day, or like fire from your flame arrows, creepers, skeletons, or iron golems, it won't spawn. It won't spawn 2 more. Only if you kill it with your iron pickaxe. But not like setting it on fire, it doesn't work. Look, I trapped them in the cobwebs. Okay. And then let's see the other hacks. On this travel sneak, you might also get exploded, or they might just use it. You eliminate the creeper first. Shield. Okay. And then for the broken diamond ore, well, really be sure not to press run when you are doing any of these actions, or you will regret it. And then the obsidian. Yeah, okay. Oops. Oh no. Back to the house. Back to the house before the video ends. Okay.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.